HP has announced two new updated Chromebooks in its series of 11, the Chromebook X360 11G2 and the Chromebook 11G7. Both are 11 laptops with Chrome operating system and are designed for the additional durability required in the classroom, which means rubber upholstery, spill-resistant keyboards and Gorilla Glass. As before, the X360 model becomes a form factor tablet of style, while the Chromebook 11G7 is a more traditional notebook, although it is still available with an optional touchscreen. The two Chromebooks may have substantially different form factors, but they have more in common than not when it comes to specifications. Each can be configured with the Celeron N series of Intel N4000 or N4100, and up to 8 GB of RAM and 64 GB of eMMC storage, although the storage configurations of the base model vary. They also have Wi-Fi 2x2 dual-band AC compatible with Miracast, Bluetooth 5, microSD expansion, a pair of USB Type-C ports, a USB-A port, seemingly identical 47.35 Wh batteries and 1166x768 display with 11 resolution. Both have passed the MIL-STD 810G environmental tests, 76 cm drops on the concrete, and come with keyboards advertised as resistant to minor spills. Both new models should be available in April, just in time for schools to catch for the fall.